From NK, in the digital world, there is no physical properties and functions are what determines the properties. Please tell me one thing that can only be done by Bitcoin. Okay. I can transfer billions, with a B, of dollars to someone on the other side of the world in under a minute through a Zoom call or a TV screen with no permission from anybody, using nothing more than 2 phones and a QR code. Voila. Try to do that with your bank. Try to do that with gold. Try to do that with stocks. Try to do that with bonds. Try to do that with anything. Very powerful. Freedom. That's what that is. People say, oh, that's money laundering. That's freedom. You should be able to move your money. If you're a law-abiding citizen, you should be able to move your money wherever you want. It's your money. Okay, next.